Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to post a GIF on your account on X Twitter. Easy and quick. First click here, now click GIF. Here you can choose from here or search for GIFs, and that's it. Click on it like this, and here you can add a comment, and after this click post and this will be posted. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.